Monday morning, December 4th, Astro Excel for this week. Here we are, had bottomed out last night at 2200, over here at minus 27. Now we've got a pretty good push into early morning of the 5th. Somewhere between 2 and 5 a.m. This peaks out about plus 16 and starts to roll back down all the way through into the 3rd, or into the 6th rather, where we're bottoming there at minus 21 at 5 a.m. Then we're flat pretty much with a little upward bump until 1300 that afternoon, and then we have a good push from minus 20 to over plus 20 into the 8th on Friday at 7 a.m. where things are just flat until 2 p.m. in the afternoon before we get this stair-step decline into the close on Friday. Spike peaks on the blue line. First important one today, right around 9 a.m. Then we've got these two. This one is going to be right at the end of the day session today. And then we double bottom over here into the early morning. Call that in the 2 to 3 a.m. area. That one's a little bit of a flat line for an hour or two. Then we just kind of inside the 10s here until we get to very early morning on the 6th, where we bottom out between 2300 and then 1 a.m. on the 6th before we turn up there, and then we peak out here at 7 a.m. on the 6th. Then we got another kind of rounded flat bottom here, so that opens up kind of a wide time range from 2200 to just after midnight on the 7th. And then we have a peak here at about 9 a.m. again on the 7th, and then we kind of we got another flat top here. That's a little bit late in the trading day. We're kind of in the dead area. And then on Friday morning, this peak here, we're inside the 10s, but we've got this spike here at 3 a.m., another one at 6 a.m., and then we're just kind of flatlining around till we get a strong push up, but that's after the session's over. So that's what the Astro Excel looks like for the week. A couple of pretty good moves in there on the green line this week between the 20s.